Welcome to another video. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then insert it through the upper part of the hair. Take the lower end, tie it in the form of a plaits and roll it upwards, securing it tightly. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Take the lower part of the hair, divide it into two. Take the remaining part, tie it in the form of a rubber band, insert it through the gap and roll it upwards, crisscrossing it and securing it properly with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of two plaits and then roll the plaits upwards, secure it properly with the help of a juda pin and then attaching both of them together in a crisscross manner. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, divide the lower half, then put it through the gap, take all of them together, roll it upwards, give it a triangular look and you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then divide them into two parts. Carefully insert it into the gaps of one another and then repeat the same process of inserting it through the gap until you are left with small amount of hair and you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then take the lower half of the hair, comb it properly, roll it and then secure it inside the upper part. Take the lower end, tie it in the form of plait. It should be very consistent and slow so that you get a perfect look. Roll it upwards, secure it tightly with the help of a bobby pin. Then decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the lower end and then secure it tightly with the help of a juda pin. Make the plaits loose so that it looks thick and then insert it through the other gap. Then secure it properly with the help of a juda pin. You are done here. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail or a half ponytail. Then take the other half of the ponytail as well. Make it look like layers. Then tie all of them together and then roll it upward, tying it in the form of a pigtail and then give it a heart-shaped look and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the lower half of the hair, tie the lower end again with a ponytail or a rubber band. Insert it through the gap, roll it upward, tie plait and then carefully pass it to the circular part. Secure it properly. Thank you for watching.